at this moment the speaker on the podium did not get the explanation you gave to other persons, and his concern is also that my slide is not up yet. I can't hear myself. I mean, it's also marveled me that are these people thinking we are actually robots while we are on the console? They should understand the fact that we are also human beings. Things going wrong on the console, sometimes it's not our fault. Sometimes it's the fault of electronics. When electronics sometimes mess up, sometimes I take it as a compliment, right? I mean, they think that you are creative and you're brave enough to make sure that you handle everything. But sometimes it is beyond us. Sometimes we need to outsource. Persons don't actually think that you on the console, you are okay. Their care is that I need to see the scriptures that I'm quoting. I need to see the topic that I'm speaking. I need to see myself on the screen. I mean, it feels good for every speaker to see and behold themselves on the screen while they are talking. I mean, it gives them this inspiration. So, at this moment, the speaker does not get your explanation. So, what do? You shun the speaker. Do as if the speaker does not exist. I mean, sometimes it can be emotional. I mean, if the person is speaking is actually your mentor and it's maybe someone that you hold in high esteem, but for your mental health, whenever they call on you, do as if they don't exist, right? It will help you focus on working and finding out the solution. Number two, what's number two again? Watch out to my next video. Thank you.